How often have you thought about the lowest point in your financial journey? An intriguing question, isn't it? This low point, dear friends, in the world of finance goes by the name of drawdown. So what exactly is a drawdown? Well, imagine you're on a roller coaster ride. You start at the top, enjoy the thrill as you speed downwards, and then you're back up again. Now, replace this roller coaster with your investment portfolio's value. The highest point represents the peak value of your portfolio. The lowest point is the drawdown, and the ride back up is the recovery phase. Now let's delve a bit deeper. A drawdown is the decline in your investment's value from its peak to its lowest point, before it recovers to its peak value again. It's usually expressed as a percentage, and it reflects the risk associated with your investment. Think of it as a measure of how much you stand to lose if things go south. The higher the drawdown, the higher the risk and the greater the potential loss. Conversely, the lower the drawdown, the lower the risk and the lesser the potential loss. Drawdowns can occur due to a variety of reasons. Market volatility, economic downturns, or changes in investment strategy can all lead to drawdowns. It's important to understand that drawdowns are a natural part of the investment cycle, and they are not always indicative of poor investment strategy. Remember, drawdowns are temporary. They represent a dip in the investment value, a dip from which recovery is possible and quite likely given time. The key to managing drawdowns is to have a well-diversified portfolio and a long-term investment perspective. To summarize, a drawdown is the peak-to-trough decline during a specific recorded period of an investment, a trading account, or a fund. It's a measure of downside risk over a specified time period. Drawdowns are inevitable in the world of investments, but with a long-term perspective and a diversified portfolio, they can be managed effectively. So, the next time you see a dip in your investment value, don't panic. It could just be a drawdown, a temporary setback on your financial journey. Stay the course, maintain a diversified portfolio, and remember, every low has a high waiting just around the corner. And with that, we come to the end of our exploration of drawdown. Remember, in the world of finance, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better you'll be at navigating the ups and downs of your financial journey. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing wisely. Until next time, happy investing.